this is Nicole with NFI Empire, and we are back with another virtual test drive. Today we are in a 2014 Ram 2500 Laramie. This truck is gorgeous. Not only is it set up to work, but inside you have all the luxury that you could ever want in a vehicle. This truck sits on a large lift with 35-inch tires and 20-inch Anthem wheels, and as you can see, it's not hard to drive at all. Let's explore the inside a bit more.
The interior is completely loaded in this truck. You have heated and cooled seats, navigation, Sirius radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, and much more. As you can see, you also have a sunroof, leather seating, which comes with the Laramie, and tons of room in the back seat for your passengers. The truck is powered by a 6.7-liter turbo diesel Cummins engine. So if you're looking to use this truck for work or for play, it's ready for either. The truck sits on a large BDS lift with 35-inch tires and 20-inch Anthem wheels. It's easy to see that this truck is ready for anything, whether you're using it for work, playing in the mud, or taking it on your weekend adventure. It can withstand any job you throw at it. Load up the bed with your kayaks or tow your work trailer behind, and know that this truck can confidently get the job done.
Thanks guys for riding along with us today. If you have any questions about this Ram or any of our other inventory, don't hesitate to call. Our number is 814-746-4213. You can also check us out at nfiempire.com. I look forward to seeing you next week.